Some big news coming in. Trinamool Congress MP and actor Mimi Chakravarti has fallen ill. The actor was recently jabbed at a vaccination drive, which turned out to be fake. Mimi Chakravarti has had some previous medical conditions, including a gallbladder sludge and a sluggish liver. Now, news coming in that Mimi Chakravarti has taken ill right after that fake vaccine drive that she was part of. She also got the jab. In fact, she took to social media recently saying she's absolutely fine, all okay. She's in it too, and that there's nothing wrong. There's nothing really, there was no adverse events that she faced, but it appears now she's fallen ill just days after she was part of a fake vaccination drive in West Bengal. Suryagni Roy there joining us live from Kolkata. Suryagni, please take us through exactly what's happened to Mimi Chakravarti. Have you heard from her? Is this a repercussion of the fake vaccine that she took?
Well, Nabila, Mimi Chakravarti is unwell, but the biggest question is whether or not if this is, if it is an after effect of the vaccine. There is no confirmation from, her or her doctors that she being unwell is an effect of the vaccination that she took or the medicine that she took in that fake vaccination drive. What we have been told by, sources close to her is that she was for the past couple of days, she was extremely tensed and after she participated in that fake vaccination drive where she was jabbed as well, and since early morning today she had a few she had cases of stomach pain and dehydration, and a doctor was rushed to her apartment over here in Kolkata. Secondly, she has had a medical history of a gallbladder issue, that for which she was, being treated, and, she was under medication for these issues.
Right.
But again, once again, we need to, understand that there is no confirmation from Mimi Chakrabarti or her doctors or her team that this illness is due to the, due to the jab that she had
when
taken
you say
in that
ill,
fake
what
vaccination
exactly has
camp
happened to
where the
her? How is she
promoter
taken
was
ill?
unwell.
Is it fever or what's happened to her?
Well, what we have been told by our close sources is that Mimi has, she has some stomach pain, and she is dehydrated, and her pressure has also, gone down. So these are the three things that she was suffering from in the morning, and she's currently being treated at home. There's another aspect to it. Mimi has had an issue with her gallbladder, and she was being treated for the same as well.
She did have complications
as of
in
now,
the past.
she's still home. And
all right, as long as she's doing all right for now, you say that she's not keeping too well because she's feeling dehydrated, some stomach ache. Let's hope that she recovers soon enough. Thank you very much, Suryagni, for joining us with those details. Now, with the mega vaccination